Are you a programmer or are you a coder? What do you think who you are? A programmer or a coder? Or are those two terms same? Well, let's find out today. Programming and coding are interchangeably used in IT industry in today's world, and if you look on the overall side, both are similar, but if you go into the fine prints, there are certain differences between programming and coding. So what do you think who you are? Are you a programmer or are you a coder? Do you think both are same? Programming and coding have certain differences. A programmer and a coder may not be same. Every coder is a programmer, but not every programmer is a coder. So we'll see what both these terms means today. So we'll see how they differ and what exactly are the meaning of programming and coding. So what is programming? Programming is nothing but making anyone follow a certain instruction. Everyone is a programmer. Whenever we, in our day-to-day life, from morning to sundown, we keep on programming things around us. For example, let's say we have a dog and we make it sit by saying sit. This is a kind of programming. We program our dog to sit when we say the word sit. Similarly, we all have alarm clocks and we set our alarm clock to, let's say, run at 5 a.m. in the morning. This is a programming. We program our alarm clock to start running at 5 a.m. in the morning. Everything is programming basically. Since morning, whatever appliances we use, let's say we use TV remote. Whenever we press the on button on the TV, we are programming TV to on. So you can see that everyone can be a programmer. Basically, everyone is a programmer. You don't have to have technical knowledge. If you are making anyone to follow certain instructions, that means you are programming it to do certain tasks. This is the basic crux of programming, and you don't need to be technical about it. Now understand what is coding. Basically, coding is executing the program instructions so that the machine can understand whatever we program. We give it a certain instruction. Now the machine has to understand that instruction and execute that instruction. To do the coding is required. So this is the basic difference between programming and coding. Programming is making someone or something do a certain task, and coding is making that device or thing to understand that instruction and to execute that instruction. So let's say we set our AC temperature to 24. Now this is an example of programming when we set our AC to temperature 24. But internally, when we press the temperature button on the remote, someone has written a code so that the AC can understand that okay, it has to set its temperature to 24. This is coding. So in IT industry, the coding and programming are relatively similar and they are hence interchangeably used. But in day-to-day life, in everywhere else, programming has certain differences from coding, as we have seen today. So to summarize, let's see what we have understood. On the left side, we can see there is a programming, and on the right side, we have coding. So making anything follow certain instruction is programming, and implementing and executing that instruction is called coding. Programming is non-technical. It may or may not be technical. You may or may possess a technical knowledge, but you can do programming. Everyone is a programmer. On the other hand, coding is a technical thing. You have to have the knowledge of that language so that that machine can understand it. So in IT, let's say we have different languages so that the computer can execute it, and we have to understand and learn that language and write code accordingly. So this is the basic difference between coding and programming, and I hope your concept is a little bit clearer now about programming and coding. They are not the same thing as we have been thinking right till now. There is some basic differences and that we have covered today. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe, like and share this. There are a lot of technical tips and tricks coming up your way, so please subscribe. Thank you.